What's up people, Varun here. So today we are checking out ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO T8 AIVI. This is a smart robot vacuum that can mop as well. I've been using this for almost 15 days now and I feel this is the best robot vacuum you can buy in 2021. It will set you back around 40,000 rupees and it's totally worth it. First, let's do the unboxing. Once you open the box, you are greeted with the robot itself. Next, we have the washable microfiber cleaning cloth. After that, there is the docking station. Then we have the 10 microfiber disposable mopping pads for Osmo Pro. Now we are greeted with 2 side brushes. Then we have the charger, some paperwork, and lastly, in a separate box, we have the Osmo Pro oscillating mopping system, high efficiency filter, and 2 more side brushes. That's all. So that was your unboxing experience of ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO T8 AIVI. You do really get a lot of accessories in the box. Now let's do the initial setup, which is super simple. Number 1, remove the protectors from the robot and discard all the plastic wrappings from the robot and the charging dock. Install the side brushes, that's step number 2. Number 3, place the docking station. Make sure you place it in an open area so that it's easier for ingress and egress for the robot. Number 4, you now need to place the DEEBOT on the docking station and turn the power on. The button is located on the DEEBOT itself. Number 5, download the ECOVACS Home app. You can scan the QR code or you can simply head to the App Store or Play Store and search for ECOVACS Home app. Number 6, fire the app and use the in-app scanner to scan the SN code under the cover to add your DEEBOT. And the last step is follow the on-screen instructions within the app to finish the setup. And this is it. Once you're done with the setup, your DEEBOT is ready to start cleaning and create a map of your home. Now let's touch base on its vacuuming functionality. DEEBOT OZMO is capable of vacuuming your entire house with utmost precision. Thanks to the large battery and a strong suction motor, it will pick up small debris, hairs and everything in between with ease. Its run time is around 180 minutes thanks to its large 5200 mAh battery. The all-new laser mapping tech maps your entire house with 4 times the accuracy. It will take at least 2 to 3 tries to completely map out your entire home. So make sure that all the doors are open and remove any obstacles which you might think will be a deterrent for the robot in mapping the house completely. Its corner cleaning ability is great too. With 2 side brushes on either side, no corner is left untouched. The feature I love the most on DEEBOT OZMO is the enhanced AIVI or AIVI technology. With the help of AIVI, it can automatically avoid objects and intelligently suggest extra cleaning to offer a more thorough cleaning performance. In my testing, it successfully avoided the charging cable and a shoe. However, it failed to detect the water bottle. But I'm sure with time, it will learn to detect different objects and can adapt to home environments better and optimize how it cleans. Now, let's look at its mopping capabilities. With regards to mopping, this robot is a champ. There are 2 mopping mechanisms you can use on DEEBOT OZMO T8 AIVI. First is the standard Osmo mopping system, wherein you have to fill in the reservoir with water and attach it to the back, and the robot will automatically detect that the mopping accessory is attached and it will start mopping the entire house exactly the same way it vacuums. You can do a vacuum and mopping together as well if you want. The mopping is really good and you can even select the water flow level from the app. The second is the Osmo Pro oscillating mopping system. This is a separate accessory that is already provided in the box. So how it works? Exactly like the first method, you need to fill the reservoir with water and attach it to the back of the robot. The only difference is that the mopping method is completely different from the first one. Osmo Pro mopping system can remove stubborn stains on the floor with ease. Powered by electrical high frequency mopping mode, the plate moves back and forth quickly, which mimics human mopping action and which will remove stubborn stains and cleans more effectively. Overall, the mopping functionality on DEEBOT OZMO T8 is really good. Okay, let's shift our gears and focus our attention on its build quality and design. DEEBOT OZMO T8 AIVI is built really well. The construction is all plastic to keep the robot light. I especially like the black accent as it gives this robot an appealing and premium look. The top of the robot consists of the true mapping sensor and the auto mode button. The bottom of the robot is comprised of anti-drop sensors, carpet detection sensor, universal wheel, charging contacts, 2 side brushes, main brush and the driving wheels. Once you flip the top cover, you can see the Wi-Fi status indicator, power switch, dustbin and the multi-function cleaning tool. On the side, OZMO T8 AIVI is equipped with anti-collision sensors and bumpers, and the front is dotted with an AIVI visual detection sensor. In the end, DEEBOT OZMO T8 AIVI looks really classy, and it will bring a smile on your face every time you see it clean your house. Now let's talk about the ECOVACS Home app. The app is fairly simple and full of intelligent features. As soon as you fire up the app, you are greeted with 2 options: Smart Cleaning and Video Manager. Let's talk about Smart Cleaning first. The bottom row gives you 3 options: Areas, Auto and Custom. Under Area, you can see your saved map. If you have multiple maps, it will show up here as well. Auto will provide you with the option to start the automatic cleaning. Here you can save your cleaning preferences and set your cleaning sequence as well. Once done, click on the blue button in the middle and the robot will start vacuuming or mopping. Custom will let you select a custom area on the map, and then you can instruct the robot to go and clean that specific area. Now let's come back to the default screen and check out the second option, which is Video Manager. Again, a very unique feature which I find very useful. You first need to enter the password to go into the Video Manager mode. Once in video mode, with the help of the front AIVI camera, you can begin patrolling the house with the help of the on-screen joysticks. You can also instruct the robot to go to a particular area. On the top left, you see the map. Click on the map, select the area which you want to patrol, and the robot will go there straight away. Super nifty feature. DEEBOT also supports single-way voiceover so that you can entertain the people at home remotely. When you click on the 3 dots on the top right, you step into the settings page, and here you can do multiple things like turn off AIVI smart recognition, turn on off auto boost, set specific schedules, check cleaning logs, and even check for new firmware updates. Under map management, you can save up to 2 different maps. Click on the saved map, and here you can set virtual boundaries, edit areas, label and delete areas if you wish. You can also see Wi-Fi black spots in the app. It will automatically detect where the router is installed and show the Wi-Fi strength in each and every part of the house where the robot has traversed. What an awesome feature. All in all, this app is feature rich and you will have a lot of fun using it. If you're paranoid about your privacy, they also provide a camera lens cover in the box. Just stick it on the front AIVI camera for your peace of mind. Alright, time for final thoughts. ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO T8 AIVI is a really great robot vacuum. I know it's a bit expensive, but you're getting a cleaning robot with cutting edge features which no other manufacturer offer in the same price range. Its smart cleaning attribute is super efficient, it maps the house neatly, and the AIVI tech can avoid obstacles with ease. On top of that, the battery life is great and the mopping functionality is the best I've ever seen. The icing on the cake is the app, which offers plethora of levers to play around with the robot and to perfectly make it dance to your own tune. This robot vacuum gets my top recommendation, and it's a must buy if you're looking for an all-in-one robot vacuum plus mopping system for your house. Don't go for cheap knockoffs, buy a quality name like ECOVACS. They already sell their other models in India, and this specific model is due launch really soon. Alright guys, this is it for the review. Do let me know in the comment section below if you are interested in getting this cleaning robot for your house. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.